How to lubricate a Phillips, Gaggia, or a Saeco Brew group, as we see here. Now, first of all, you need this food-safe grease here. You can see it is for Saeco, Phillips, and Gaggia. And there's a couple of spots that you have to grease. One of them is this gray piston here, the gray stem of the piston there, and then the slides inside. So these are the tracks right there in which this assembly goes up. So let's just go ahead and take some grease. We're going to put it on a Q-tip to make things a little bit easier, just like so. This should come with your machine. If not, you can buy it on Amazon, for example. I'll put a link in the description. So just put a little bit on there like so. I already did actually just do it myself. Put some here on the stem. So we got the nub, we got the stem, and now we have to get both the right slide area and the left slide area where the carriage basically goes up and down. And then you can manipulate it a little bit. So in order to do that, just press up on that gray nub there, and then you can manipulate the yellow slide this way. And that essentially pushes up this area here where your grounds are contained up here against the piston. So we're just going to move it back and forth a little bit like that, just to make sure that that grease is worked in real good, and then we'll be all set to go. So you can hear it's working well, sliding well, and we are set. Now I'll just put it back into the starting position, just like so, and now it's ready to be reinserted into your machine. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.